first visit in January 2024, and been quite a shift around, mainly for the Christmas special, to make room for the special event. And alongside there is an Atkinson, an AEC and a Leyland at the end. And now we have two Leylands and an AEC with this little beauty, the Karrier. Dates from 1928. Rescued from the sands. I think it was over at Rill, where it had been languishing for years, and it was dug out and it's been refurbished, rebuilt, and nicely they've got it right next to another Karrier as well. So we've got two Karriers in the museum, and they're side by side, and she's really nice. This is the Karrier breakdown truck, and I think that one dates from 1926, and the bus dates from 1928, and it was on the Ashton Under Lyne route, and it was number 8 in the fleet number. Beautiful bodywork. It's been restored beyond belief, and it's in very good company too at the garage there now. And if you look at these buses, they are excellently presented. They're pristine, they're clean. It's a nice display too. And then we come to 436, which is the 1934 Crossley, and this has been rebuilt. And funnily enough, this was used in its latter part of its life as a caravan in Derbyshire. And the Karrier bus, as I said, was found at Rill, and that was being used as a holiday caravan, and this was used as a holiday caravan, and it's going through a really chassis up extensive rebuild. And nice to know now that they've got an exhaust system for it as well, so each time I visit the museum there's a little bit more added, as is the side piece there. This is the near side front of the bus body, and I believe that is the engine that's going to go in, well, the crankcase. All the parts have been cleaned, and it'll be rebuilt and then introduced into the bus chassis. And here, well, that's the engine, and on the floor is all the floorboards that will be used for the flooring on the lower deck and upper deck. And it's had to be specifically bought in because the measurements are just not there in this day and age. Anyway, another quick visit. Hope you've enjoyed it. Bye for now.